Hello and welcome to GHRCE News Desk, 8 September 2024. Few highlights: Student Induction Program, Departmental Forum Installation, Anti-Ragging Poster and Logo Making Competition, CSE Department Students excel in Inter-Department Futsal Tournament, CSE students visit Orphanage, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports hosts training program on Mera Yuva My Bharat portal at GHRCE of Engineering Nagpur. Celebration of Entrepreneurship Day on 23rd August 2024. Conduction of Katia training for the team Indrajit participating in Aeromodeling. Skill awareness program for school students. Collaborative classroom session on digital twin. Celebration of Anti-Ragging Week by Civil Engineering Department students. Now the news in detail. GHRCE College of Engineering Nagpur has organized the induction program SIP 2024 for the first year students from 1st July 24 to 16th August 24. There were various activities conducted during the student induction program, which included multiple workshops such as emotional quotient, 3D printing, English proficiency, mindfulness, guest lectures on scheduling and prioritizing, etc. Besides visits to various labs and centers of excellence on campus. Around 450 students were the beneficiary of first SIP. Departmental Forum Installation. On 3rd August 2024, a Grand Forum Committee installation event was organized through the combined efforts of all departments. The event marked the official formation and installation of new committees, with each committee member receiving the badge. The Computer Science Engineering Department introduced its 19-member committee, including roles such as President, Vice President, Treasurer, Sports Team, Newsletter and Report Team, Decoration Team, Discipline Team, Social in Charge, Campaigning in Charge and various other posts. Anti-Ragging Poster and Logo Making Competition organized by CSE Department. The Phoenix Forum of Computer Science Engineering Department organized an anti-ragging poster and logo making competition aimed at spreading awareness and encouraging students to actively participate in the fight against ragging. The event held on 16th August 2024 and was part of the college's ongoing efforts to maintain a safe and inclusive environment for all students. The primary objective of the competition was to foster creativity among students while promoting the message of anti-ragging. Now, CSE Department students excel in Inter-Department Futsal Tournament. Students of CSE Department GHRCE Boys Team Himanshu Chaube, Rohit Bihare, Aryan Shukla, Arya Boyer, Aryan Yadav, and Girls Team Kripa Nimje, Kaniksha Tidke, Anjali Tichkule, Dikshavari Patel, Ishika Revadia participated in the Inter-Department Futsal Tournament held on 1st August 2024 at GHRIET. Both the teams performed exceptionally well and emerged as a runners-up in the event. CSE again in the news. CSE students visit Orphanage. For a good reason, on 24th August, members of the CSE Phoenix Forum from GHRCE visited Sri Shraddhanand Anathalaya, Nagpur, and which was part of a social outreach initiative. They engaged the children in creative activities, distributed essential supplies, and fostered a sense of community responsibility. The visit was a meaningful experience that reinforced empathy, service, and social commitment among these students. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports hosts training program on Mera Yuva My Bharat portal at GHRCE College of Engineering Nagpur. 31st August 2024, in an effort to enhance digital engagement and streamline service for youth and sports enthusiasts, the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, organized a one-day training program on the My Bharat portal. The event took place at GHRCE College of Engineering Nagpur and witnessed enthusiastic participation from across the Maharashtra. The program drew more than 50 participants from various esteemed organizations, demonstrating a strong interest in utilizing digital platform for youth development. Attendees including representatives from educational institutes, non-governmental organizations and community groups, all keen to harness the potential of My Bharat portal. Shri Ajay Shinde, the Regional Director NSS Maharashtra, was the chief guest for the inaugural function, and Dr. Sopandeo Pise, Director NSS RT MNU, graced the valedictory function as chief guest. Director Sachin Unthavle, Deputy Director and Deans were present during the event. Celebration of Entrepreneurship Day on 23rd August 2024. On the occasion of World Entrepreneurs Day, Entrepreneurship Cell GHRCE in association with Mechanical Engineering Department celebrated this day. In this session, young entrepreneur Mr. Ayush Gaikwad, alumni of 2019 batch mechanical engineer, delivered his success story journey of his startup Raikura Medi-Equip Private Limited. During his session, he motivated the budding entrepreneurs and students regarding entrepreneurship as a career. Moving on to the next news. Conduction of CATIA training for the team in Indrajit participating in Aeromodeling. On 26 August 2024, Mechanical Engineering Department under the activity for 4th semester student in their product development and packaging lab organized the CATIA training program for the selected team. Indrajit for Aeromodeling competition. Dr. Nilesh Avate conducted this activity. Skill awareness program for school students, which was done on 17th August 2024, invited a roaring response. Skill and technology awareness sessions on 3D printing, CNC router, mech, automobile at AICTE Idea Lab and faculty visit and session at GHRTBI. This was conducted by Dr. A.M. Khadatkar and Professor R.A. Jibkate under the guidance of Dr. Rupesh Shelke, HOD, Mechanical Engineering Department. Collaborative classroom session on digital twin, digitize all the physical things, was organized on 17th August 2024. Now GHRC has been organizing such event. This was a unique session by itself, as collaborative classroom session on digital twin technology was organized at its TBI studio room, aiming to foster interdisciplinary learning and problem solving among students and faculty. This is the 4th session organized. The session was delivered by Dr. Mahendra Gaikwad, Professor Suraj Bhatnagar and Dr. Sampada Vazalwar from IT department. This innovative initiative brought together experts, students and faculty members and heads from all engineering departments of the institute to explore the transformative potential of digital twin technology in various domains. The event was also attended by Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director of the Institute, along with Deputy Director Dr. Sanjay Jajur and Dr. Pramod Walke, Dean Academics of the Institute. Celebration of Anti-Ragging Week by Civil Engineering Department students. Now, the Civil Department Forum Seismic organized Anti-Ragging Week from 12th August to 14th August for 3rd, 5th and 7th semester students of Civil Engineering Department. The students took Anti-Ragging pledge on 14th August 2024 in the department, and the activity was well executed by Seismic President Mr. Krutik Burande and Ms. Vandana Tungalwar, Ms. Falguni Golghate, Ms. Samiksha Jungari and Mr. Amol Mohekar, along with Dr. Mangesh Borkar and Dr. Isha Khedekar under the able guidance of Dr. Balchandra Khode, Professor and Head Civil Department. Now here we come to the end of NewsDesk, only ending with news as of now, but there's a lot awaiting on the other side as we meet the next time. Until, take care. This is Manish Nair signing off. Bye-bye.